This business owner in Bayville, New Jersey was having a bit of a problem. You see, beavers were damming up this area and causing the water to overflow onto the business owner's property. This was not only causing severe damage to the owner's property, but was turning this beautiful creek into a swampland. So the business owner contacted Little Rascals for help. To rectify this issue, we removed the beaver dams and installed a beaver deceiver instead of trapping and removing the beavers. A beaver deceiver is installed into the pond to deceive the beavers. They're going to continue to build and repair the dam, but the water will continue to flow. The cage that we're using is actually made out of cattle fence, and we placed it here to keep the debris out of the pipe to allow the water to flow. We use 5 4-inch corrugated plastic piping, which extends below the dam and flows freely. When a beaver tends to their dam, they check on the high side and not on the low side. So by installing the beaver deceiver, this allows the beaver to reclaim their habitat, but the water will continue to flow and not clog any of the culvert pipes or streams. Most importantly, the water will no longer flow onto the business owner's property and cause any further damages. It's a win-win for both the beavers and the business owner.